Hi everyone and welcome back. In this video we're going to start with the array in the PHP. Actually array is very important and also it's easy in the PHP. So for example we have already explained something about that. So we have array, and in the array I can add anything I want. Numbers, strings, anything you want. So for example this array of I can name it like computers equal. So for example I have Lino, which is Dell. So I have three computers. Now if I can add another one, so I can say for example here computers. You can just add here. I can add here. You can see the index. Now I can return. Now I can return what inside this. So I can say just echo and then computers. Here index. This index will automatically assign to the array. So start with 0 by default. So if you say 0, which means Lenovo. So if you say 0 and then go here, and it will be of course Lenovo. If you say 1, will be HP, and 2 will be Dell. So now 2 for example will be Dell. If I say 3, it will be a problem because it's not inside it. So now here warning undefined because there is no 3, only 0, 1, 2. Also I can find how many items inside the array. So here I can just say here for example size equal just this function using count, and count of what? Count of computers. And I can say echo size. That's it. So now you can see we have 3 because we have 0, 1, 2, so it's 3 components. If I want to see it like index, I can say -1, so now it will be 0, 1, 2 like the index, so it will be 2. Sometimes we need to do that in order to find the correct. Also I can add a new item to the array here. So for example I can say now we have only 0, 1, 2. I can say 3, so add another one equal for example another type, for example MSI. I can say MSI. That's it. Now if I print that echo like computers, if I say 3 because this one 0, 1, 0, 1, 2, and this one will be 3 MSI. So as you can see MSI 3. Now I need to write or to print everything inside this array, so I can use the for each, for example. We have explained that, or you can use for anything you want, but I prefer just for each. So I can say computers, so each one for each computers. I need computers, so Lenovo, HP, Dell, and MSI. So I can say here echo computer and then BR. That's it. So now we can see Lenovo, HP, Dell, and MSI. So we can just print all of them without any problem. This is called indexed function. So we have index start from 0 to anything you want. We can create another type of function which is with key. So same thing, I can say computers equal. Now we have key and value. So I can say here the key, for example like name, and the value will be Osama, for example. Here like the key will be age, and the value will be like 30, for example. And here we have like sal for salary. I can add like 1000, any number you want. So now we have, now if you, in order to access it or echo something, I don't need to say computer and index, computer and 0, because it is not 0. We already have key. So for example I need to print the name, so just add the name, or I need the age, so I just say age here inside. see, age. So now it will print the value of the age. So you can see 30 here. Same thing, I can add, I can anything you want. Now I can use for each also, for each. And now it is a little bit different. I can say computers, as I cannot say just like computer, because I need here key and value. So I can say here, for example, key and value. So here I can print also echo, like for example this one, key, and I can add like key is value, something like that. So I will print key and value to both of them. You can see name is Osama, but I need just to add break. That's it. So here name is Osama, age 30, and salary is 1000. So we can just make it in this way. The last thing, we have multi-dimension array. So it's just simply array inside array. So I can say, for example, information equal. So here we have array, right? Inside it we have some arrays as well. Actually you can use array in this way. So inside it we have another array. That's it. Here another array, and so on. To add the computers with prices. So here computer, the first one, Lenovo, and the price of Lenovo will be like 1000. And here I need to add another one like HP, and the price for HP is like 1200, like 800 or something like that. Now also we can print it, but it's a little bit different. I can say echo information. Now here indexing. So the first one is 0, because, or I need this one here, HP, the price of HP. So this one is 0 and this one is 1, right? So I need the 1, and 2 dimension. Inside it we have what? 0, 1. So 1 by 1. Hope you understand that. So this one for first dimension, and inside it I need 0, 1, the second one also. So it will print 100 or 1200. Now here you can see 1200. Hope you understand it. I think it's not difficult. Also you can make a for loop, but here we need 2 for. So this the rows here. If we just make it in this way, you can see this the rows. We have 0, 1, 2. So it's 3 rows here. So we can say row, integer row, start from 0, and then row less than or equal what? 0, 1, 2. So 2, because 0 first one, and then 1, and then 2. So 2, and then I don't need to add integer, actually, just row equals 0, row less than 2, row plus plus. Now this for row, I can just say here echo. Now we need to find also what inside the row, the columns, Lenovo, HP. So we need to find inside 4, I need another 4, and I can name it like column, col equals 0, same thing, col less than or equal, how many? We have only 2, so 0, 1, so it will be 1, and then here column plus plus. And same thing here, I can echo now the column and br. So here row is just a number, so I don't need to add anything. Just say here this is the row, and here how can I echo everything because two-dimension array, so I can say echo one time, and then information. So here start with row, so row, and here column. So now it will start here, start from 0, so the 0, then go here, column equals 0, start from the first column here like Lenovo, and then less than 1, plus a plus, and here we'll print the first one, 0 1, so it will be what, 0 and 1, so I'll print Lenovo, and then go here again, 0 less than 1, because now it will be plus a plus, so it's less than or equal 1, yes, it is 1 now, so it will print 0 1, which be 1000. Again, now less than 1, no, it will become 2, so return back here, this will become 0, become 1, so now print 1 0, so the first one here, and then 1 1, and so on. So I'll print all of them. Yes, the array, I cannot add it inside like a string here, so I can just connect it with this br, so I can add br here, just add dot and add the br here, so that will connect it with the br. Now you can see Lenovo 1000, and this is the first row, we have just Lenovo and this one, and then the second row we have this one, and the third row we have this one, two of them. So it's working in this way. So hope you understand that, and thank you very much.